Hello everyone. Welcome back to Jillies Nails, where we do stamped nail art on natural nails every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So today we are going to review the Mani by Me Crystal Moon box. This is the February 2020 box. And when I first saw it, I was kind of just like, I don't know. But I actually really like it. I am very pouty though because a lot of these designs will work a lot better on long nails, and right now mine are very short. We got a little drama with it, they're a little short. Let's get rid of that stupid pineapple because I hate pineapple in all its forms. Sorry, not sorry. Pineapple hater, right here, that's me. So this month in the box, the bonus item was an extra plate, which I loved. I was very excited about that. And these images are really cute. There's a lot of great ones for doing striping techniques, just single image design. So really this does work on short or long nails, but in my opinion, most of it's for really long nails. Like that French right by my index finger, ugh, it's full of butterflies. It's so pretty. And this plate, God bless it, bless its heart. To me, it looks like a bunch of images that they didn't put on other plates they released. But I do think it's a valuable plate to have in your collection, especially if you don't have moons or anything like that yet. It's a good one. And speaking of moons, I'm going to pick up this design first. I didn't like it. I had to pick it up again. Um, it didn't come out very clear on the first stamp, but I think that was my scraping. I really need to go back and forth between the harder stamper or scraper and the more flexible one and see which one does better. I did like how it picked up that time, so I went ahead and kept that image. But look at all the other stuff on that plate. There are crystals everywhere. And I'm picking this one up with a color called pewter. That's one of those weird words for me. I have to think about it before I say it, or I'll say pewter. Does anybody else have words like that where you just really have to think about it before you say it? I still cannot to this day, and I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but it's old enough that I should be able to pronounce Worcestershire sauce. And I have to really think about it and enunciate that word. Come on, leave me a comment and tell me what words you can't say without thinking about it. I know you got one. Everybody has one. And if you don't, you're just way cooler than me. So we also got a very pretty green in this month's box called Greenhouse. Beautiful for leaf work. It's going to be great in spring. It would even be beautiful in fall. It's a pretty good year-round color for a green. So what I'm doing is just going in and tapping in these colors. And this Darkest Night, I can't remember the name of the collection. There's several in there. I have the red and the green as well. They have a very glittery, almost metallic finish to them. In the bottle, they look really weird. It looks very mottled and like it's a blue and silver mix, but they all come out one color. I'm going to use satin blush here in a bit, and it does the same thing where it looks awful in the bottle. It looks so weird, this one. But it's a beautiful pink. I don't know why it looks like that in the bottle, but how they actually come out is really cool. So if you see that style of polish and you're afraid of it, don't be. It's really great. And that pink satin blush is one of my favorites. It really is one of my favorites. I used it in my November manicure. I'll try to remember to link that here so you can see it. But the November Maniology review I did, it's Snowflake. So if I forget to link it and you scroll through, it's pink in the pictures. It's pink nails. So it's a beautiful color and it really stamps well. Maniology's metallics are on point. So with this crystal, I went in and I tried to use some of that satin blush to maybe give it a little highlight, see if I could add a little more depth to the crystal image. And this is something that I wanted to put in for a reason. I ended up hating that. I hated how it looked. I did the outline the wrong color. The pewter was a bad idea. It didn't show up over the other nail. I didn't end up taking it off. I just held it over the nail and went, ooh, that's not going to work. But I wanted to use a dark color crystal, so I just kind of went, you know what, forget it. There's a crystal on the moon. Just adjust. And a lot of times that's what has to happen in nail art. It's the one thing that I do hate about some of these nail art videos is they make it look like everything was perfect the first time, and most of the time it's not. There's gonna be accidents, there's gonna be things where you do it and you're like, oh God, why'd I do that? I should have stopped. It's okay. If you don't like something, don't put it on your nail. So I am going to go through here and pick up all three of these images. They're kind of like little flowers and stemmy type designs. I don't know how else to explain it. You'll see when they go on. And although not directly, like, never even looked at them until I decided that crystal didn't work. I was like, oh gosh, I don't know what I'm going to do. I need something that fits, but I don't want to do another moon or crystal because of the same issues with the outline and all that stuff. But I thought this came out really cute, just stamping these little leaf designs next to it. I actually really liked this mani. I was surprised myself. And I smeared it a little bit too. My own fault, I dragged it a little bit. But I've also noticed lately that Such Feet is cracking my black Maniology straight up black polish. I'm going to keep a closer eye on this and see if it continues, but I've been noticing it lately, and I think it's this combination. Something about that straight up black and Such Feet, it's making it crack. Not sure what the deal is there, but I'm going to keep an eye out and see if it keeps doing it. So this is what it looks like up close. I think it's super cute. I really like it. It's cute for short nails. It's cute for long nails. However you want to do it. As you can see, my nails are uneven because they're growing out, but I still love it. I think it's a fun design, and I really hope you'll try it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos like it, just click in the upper right hand corner. Watch the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.